Excuse me, have you seen a black wallet around here?
No, I haven't. When did you lose it?
I think I dropped it a few minutes ago near the coffee shop.
Oh, no. Did it have anything important inside?
Yes, my ID cards, bank cards, and some cash were inside.
That sounds stressful. Have you checked the coffee shop already?
Not yet. I came here first because I walked this way.
You should ask the staff there. Maybe someone returned it.
That's a good idea. I'm really worried right now.
Don't panic. Most people are honest and try to help.
I hope so. Losing a wallet is such a headache.
I understand. It happened to me once too.
Really? Did you find it again?
Yes, someone gave it to the security office.
That gives me some hope.
If you want, I can help you look around.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's check near the coffee shop first.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the train station. Sure, it's not very far from here. Really? I've been walking around for almost 20 minutes. I understand. This area can be confusing for visitors. Yes, it's my first time in this city. No problem. Go straight down this road until you reach the traffic light. Okay, then what should I do? Turn left at the traffic light and keep walking for about 5 minutes. All right, will I see the station easily? Yes, it's a large building with a big sign outside. Is it near the shopping mall? Exactly. It's right next to the mall entrance. Perfect. Thank you for explaining it clearly. You're welcome. One more question. Is there a bus stop near the station? Yes, there's one directly across the street. Great! You've been very helpful. Happy to help. Have a nice day. You too.
Excuse me, I think someone is sitting in my seat.
Oh, really? What seat number do you have?
I have seat 18A by the window.
Let me check my boarding pass for a second.
Sure.
My ticket says 18B. I think I made a mistake.
That's okay. I was just a little confused when I saw someone sitting there.
I'm really sorry about that. I must have read the seat number too quickly.
No problem. It happens sometimes.
Thanks for understanding. I'll move right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Are you comfortable with the window seat?
Yes, I prefer sitting near the window during flights.
Same here, actually.
Is this your first time flying with this airline?
Yes, it is. The airplane looks really nice inside.
Yeah, it seems comfortable.
Definitely. Hopefully the flight will be smooth too.
I hope so. It's a long journey.
Well, thanks again for being polite about the seat mix-up.
No worries at all.
All right, enjoy your flight.
You too.